Rocket Chick Art Productions presents MechWarrior, Dark Age, Aurora-Class Dropship Set.
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to another RCA Wilcox unboxing for your favorite, almost realistic, real robot style unboxing. What we have is the Dark Age Aurora-Class Dropship from WizKids. Now, next we're going to see what this baby looks like on the inside, but I will tell you right now that it is very coveted on the internet, and now it's highly rare and people want a lot of money for it, but I ain't really trying to pay too much. So, let's crack this bad boy open.
Okay.
Alright, so it is secondhand, but that's what happens when you buy stuff from the dark side of the web. So what we got right now, little stickers, comes with it. Most likely I may put them on my mobile suits because that's probably what I'm feeling. But I believe, so it has Stormhammers, Baron Raiders, Spirit Cats, Steel Wolves, Highlanders, Republic of the Spear, Dragon Fury, Swordsman. Either they're clans I don't know about, or I'm just not that well versed in the lore. But happens. Now, ooh.
Oh, got it. Ready.
All right.
Wow, that's big.
Yeah, it is. So, we have the ship itself, thrusters on the bottom. Oh, and the ports are still open.
It is making
Tape to hold the compartment shut from the cellar, and right in there is where you would put your warriors, or anything. Comes with a few guns inside too. Next, it even comes with some place turrets for the ship itself. All in all, $210 for a second-hand battleship that usually goes around $3. I'm happy and able. Thank you for you got a whole thing too. So now that we have assembled what we do have, the turrets are detachable, so you can move them up and down at your leisure. Ship does. Now, it was a little dirty, so, and one of the canopies is broken. It's missing one of, I think the other side was missing the bunker pad. But, all in all, still a wonderful buy. Or, it was a nice little buy. Oop, oop. Oop. Oh, that's going to be a big issue.